Hi, Jonathan here from Green Reconditioning, introducing the 90-minute bumper. So we got this bumper right here. It's got a little cracking right here. It's got some scrapes underneath here. And we're going to have this customer in and out in 90 minutes or less. It's another way for us to serve our customers by getting it done quickly and back on the road and for a less expensive price than anyone else out there. So check it out, 90-minute bumper on our Green Reconditioning website. Look forward to seeing you. Alright, so we're to the primer. So we got everything repaired, everything's primed, so we're ready to paint and clear now. So that was about a 45-minute process. And so we're going to be painting and clearing, which will be about a 20-25 minute process. And we should be just under 90 minutes for getting this thing done. All right, we're all wrapped up here. It turned out great, and customers coming to pick it up right now. And so this is the finished product. And when we say 90 minutes, we mean that we are not skimping in quality at all, but just we're able to get these things done fast because of the types of repairs we're doing. So I want to make sure you know that, and I think you'll be able to tell from the pictures and the videos from this bumper. Turned out awesome. So hope to see you next time. Click the link, find out when our next 90-minute bumper is, and look forward to seeing you. Thanks.
Thank you for watching. If you made it through all that, you're probably interested in either training or having a scratch repaired on your car. Click the link below. It goes to my website with all my contact info. There's more videos to come, so please subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again.